Now then, ladies and gents, today I'm going to be presenting you with our brand new Sepura product. It's a RP based script designed for any emergency service comms based off the IRL Sepura handheld radio. When you first purchase the product, you'll be given the tutorial to set it up alongside different configurable features, for example the comms toggle, different channels and folders, and other toggleable features that you may see in this video. So to kickstart it off, when you change your team, which can be configured through the team config, you will be presented with this UI. In the top left we've got the UI where the messages will be displayed, alongside the call signs and the channel and folder at the top, and in the bottom right you've got the actual handset, which you can use to configure everything you may need, change channels, change folders, etc. So when you first start, you'll be given the option to put your call sign in. So let's just put in channel number 20 and we press select. You will be by default set to the first folder and the first channel in the config. In this case it is Central North and then CN-1. You'll be able to change folders, so if you just hit folders down here, you will see we've got two folders, MET-MP and Central North. Each folder has their own set of channels. So for MET-MP you can set your channel to Intop 1 and it will change it there. So your folder's now MET-MP, channel's Intop 1, and you'll also see it changes up there. When you press Y, which is a default keybind, this is also configurable. You can activate your radio. You'll hear a little bit of a tone. You will see the green light turn on up here, identifying that your radio's on, and you'll be able to type. And as you'll see, it will post your call sign and your message in the top left in the radio. Anyone on this folder and channel will be able to see that. Anyone who isn't won't be able to. Yeah, again, you can obviously do this with any other channels. So if I want to go into Central North and CN split, it will change up there, test, and it will display. If Caden over here would like to go on to Central North and CN split and he types a message in the channel, there you are, you will also see it shows up there. And if I change my channel to CN spare, you will see Caden, if he types in CN split now, it won't show up. If he just wants to give that a go. There you are, so you'll see it doesn't show up there, so it's completely based on the channel and the folder you're in. You have the second button here, which is your menu. So on your menu you've got your contacts, you've got your messages, you've got your folders, you've got GPS, frequency, communications, and you've also got user settings and information. As of now, only 3 of these buttons are currently in function. As weeks go by, we'll be adding more updates, making sure by the end of this term that every single one of these will be able to be used completely, fully, and to the utmost realism. Once you've purchase the product, you'll receive these updates for no additional cost. However, there will be add-on features that we will release for an extra price. So for example, one thing we've got planned is the ability to track all radios from a control room. So you'll have access to a computer and you'll be able to see the map of your game and the location of all the radios on it. However, everything you will see on this menu will be able to be used at some point once the updates are released in the near future. And once you purchase a radio, any updates any updates published, you will automatically be given to you then. So let's say I wanted to change my call sign. I could go to the settings tab here, hit select. As you can see, call sign is CN20 right now. I can change this to CN23 or Caden's 23, so I'll change mine to CN24. Press select, and if I type in the channel, you will see it has updated my call sign right here. If Caden wanted to give me a ring, all he would have to do is go to contacts, find my user. So for example, mine's at the top, and then he would drop down one and press the call. So what we'll do is we'll get Caden to give me a ring on the comms. There we are, so you'll hear the tone, you'll see the clear button, you'll be able to pick up the phone, you'll see the user who's calling you as well. So if I just press this button here, and I wanted to type in the channel, you obviously see my messages and you'll see his as well. And then as soon as I'm fed up and don't want to speak to him anymore, I just press the clear button. That'll get rid of it on both our screens, and I will be able to change to whichever one I wish. So let's say I want to go to Intop 2 for whatever reason. There you are, and Caden will be able to see that message. Apart from that, that is all the features currently included. There's obviously going to be more features in the future, so we'll introduce messages, we'll introduce a GPS, and we'll introduce a panic feature as well, which will include billboard GUI, so you can see the location of each panic, and a notification in the upper radio ear, as well as a screen flashing red. Apart from that, that's all the features we've got to show off today. I hope you're interested in purchasing this product, and any information can be found at the Evolution's Discord server, where you can have contact with our customer service advisory. Apart from that, have a good day.